Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the phrases that will help a person to ask for directions and give directions. But first, let's remember the public places that people often look for. A library, a park, a hospital, a bank, a restaurant, a cafe, a museum, a school, a post office, a sports centre, a supermarket, an amusement park, a town hall, a chemist. People can ask, where is the nearest, for example, where is the nearest supermarket? Or, where is the nearest chemist? Nearest means closest to, or not far from here. Now let's look at phrases that you might hear from a stranger in the street. Let's use the example, library number 5. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to library number 5? Could you tell me where library number 5 is? I'd like to know how to get to library number 5. Would you mind giving me some directions? I can't find library number 5. Could you tell me the best way to get to library number 5? I'm looking for library number 5. I'm trying to find library number 5. If a person is new to the area, he or she can say, "Sorry, I'm new to the area." I'm lost. I've lost my way. I am new in town. Where am I on this map? If the person needs to go straight until the corner. Go along the street until you reach or see the traffic lights. If the person needs to turn left at the traffic lights. Make a left at the traffic lights. Turn right and walk 3 blocks. Turn right and walk 300 meters. If the person needs to get to the place by public transport, you need the bus going in the opposite direction. It's pretty far from here. You'd better take a bus. Take any train and get off at the next station. Let me think. It's probably best of all to take bus number 5 from Green Street. Change to the yellow subway line at Rimskaya station. If you are not sure you can help, it's better to say, "I'm sorry. You'll have to ask someone else. I'm afraid I don't know." The conversation can end like this. "Thank you. You're welcome." "Thank you. Anytime. Have a nice day." "Thanks. Don't mention it." Well, today we've learned how to ask for directions and give directions to other people. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.